How to flip NFTs for a profit. Welcome back to Crypto Smooth. For a lot of us, trading and flipping is something we've done since childhood. From comic books, stickers, trading cards to toys, anything we could profit from was fair game. Many of us have continued this wealth-building habit into our adult lives and are always looking for flipping opportunities. As our lives become increasingly digital, it's no surprise that many people are now making money with NFTs. The trading of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, is growing all the time, and getting in early on this evolving market could be vital to the continued growth of your wealth. So in this video, we will discuss about how to flip NFTs for a profit. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The emerging NFT scene has plenty of room for growth. It's a new market, there's not much competition, and the opportunities to make large profits are everywhere. You just have to keep your ear to the ground and know what to look for. With traceable, provable provenance and ownership, many people are already making a lot of money with crypto collectibles and art selling to the growing number of digital collectors. For example, take the pixel art collectibles CryptoPunks. In October 2017, CryptoPunk number 8348 was sold for $456. Currently, the very same NFT is worth over $26,000. Quite an increase in value. Getting in on NFTs early is a great way to increase your net worth or strengthen your portfolio. Many people find they can flip an NFT in days for an easy 10 to 50% profit, reinvesting the money in bigger opportunities. But before we get deeper into the video, let me inform you a little bit about crypto wallet security. These days, hackers have been attacking lots of crypto users and stealing their funds. It has been a trend, and it's easy to do. You don't even need any coding skills. Hackers just need to find a way to get those 12-word secret recovery seed phrase that you got while creating a crypto wallet. And that's all it takes to steal funds from users. That is why it is recommended that the 12-word secret recovery seed phrase should be only used for importing your wallet or recovering your wallet in case you lost your access to it. These are the only two scenarios in which the seed phrase is used. Luckily, there are ways to protect yourself, and the best method is to store it in your physical wallet. Here's a way to back up your secret recovery phrase offline. The billfoldable physical security device allows you to store your 12-words recovery seed phrase physically embedded in a steel unit. You can then store it right inside your wallet. This product is a lifesaver for someone who owns millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrencies. So if you are one of them, be sure to check this product out. How to spot NFT flipping opportunities. As with any investing opportunity, there's no guarantee of profit with NFTs, but that doesn't mean there's not plenty of people making healthy profits. Flipping is a quick and relatively simple way of making money with NFTs. You are ultimately looking for NFTs which are either or both currently undervalued, you expect to increase in value. Find your NFT niche. While casting your net wide may seem like a good idea, with NFTs, it's best to niche down and really get to know a market. Gary V's own advice is to really do your homework on what you genuinely believe is going to work. The more you know about an NFT scene, the better your investment decisions will be. It's vital then to choose one or two NFT niches and dig into that community. Go into the subreddits and forums, listen to the podcasts, watch the YouTube videos, and talk to others in that community of buyers and sellers. This takes time, but is the only way to make sound investments. Take an NFT game like Decentraland and its interesting real estate market, for example. One renowned trader named Maddie made over $83,000 profit in a single year, simply flipping parcels on the game's land because he understood the market well. Where to find NFT flipping opportunities. The NFT market space has a few options depending on your budget and what sort of token you're looking to trade. Below, we'll look at some of the more popular marketplaces and what market they cater to. Number 1, the garage sale sites, OpenSea and Rarible. Akin to the likes of eBay and Amazon, OpenSea and Rarible are great ways to dip your toe into the NFT trading arena. These marketplaces sell a wide range of crypto collectibles and are a great place to find hidden gems due to their low barrier of entry, with many up-and-coming crypto artists finding their footing on these marketplaces. Just like finding a $100 Beanie Baby being sold for $5 at a garage sale, there are many undervalued bargains to be had here. Number 2, collectibles. Atomic Assets, NBA Top Shot, Decentraland, CryptoKitties. For those of us with a history in flipping collectibles like trading cards, marketplaces like Atomic Assets' Atomic Hub are a great place to start. Built on wax, The marketplace had a fantastic 2020 with some major deals, including a Street Fighter line of trading cards. By being on top of trends and understanding the market, this marketplace is fantastic for the collectible trader. There's also the incredibly popular NBA Highlights Marketplace Top Shot, which has a total NFT value of over $600 million. With regular new drops, a wide range of prices, and a lively marketplace, investors who know their sports memorabilia would do well to start here. For those with experience in trading in-game cosmetics with games like Fortnite, there are marketplaces for you too. Decentraland's real estate and cosmetic market is booming, with trades happening all the time. It doesn't take long to start spotting profitable property locations on the market, and some are making a lot of money doing so. There are also NFT games like CryptoKitties, with a lively and fun marketplace with thousands of active users, with plenty of profitable tokens to be flipped. Many CryptoKitties are sold for thousands of dollars. CryptoKitty number 2564, for example, was first sold for $143 and was last sold for $1,953. As with any collectible trading, the key is understanding and following the market. Number 3. Art. Known origin, Nifty Gateway. Those with their finger on the pulse of the crypto art scene will want to watch the Known Origin and Nifty Gateway marketplaces. As VR and AR gain ground, people are looking to scoop up original digital artwork, and this provides an opportunity for flipping for profit. By looking up for pieces by up-and-coming artists or simply high-quality artwork you think is undervalued, you can make healthy profits. Number 4. Exclusives. Super Rare, Christie's. With Beeple's Everydays selling for well over $60 million in 2021, high-end auction house Christie's is somewhere the wealthiest of us can go to find the finest of crypto art and collectibles. Slightly less expensive, but still a very high barrier of entry, is the online marketplace Super Rare. Here, you'll find pieces of digital art from hand-picked artists who are influencers within the NFT scene. While these may be out of reach for many of us, it's worth watching these marketplaces to understand the direction the NFT is heading. Tips for making money with NFTs. One of the best ways to leave some meat on the bone and profit from NFT trades is to look out for bulk buys, more common in the trading card and collectible scenes. Often, large-scale sellers will happily sell bundles of NFT together for less profit to reduce the hassle of trading. This is where you come in and sell them individually for your profit. Polite haggling often works too. Reaching out to sellers in your niche's community through private channels and negotiating private deals is where many flippers find their biggest profits. And of course, keeping on top of an NFT scene's market, tracking leads, and networking within the community will always lead to more profitable opportunities. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.